Now, this is a commentary that I hoped I would never have to do. It's one of those situations where you hope things would have just worked out itself, so you don't have to address it. Tennis legend Serena Williams was sent packing in the first round of Wimbledon. After the defeat, Serena, who is now 40 years old and was returning to the court after a year due to injury, Serena said she does not know if this will be her last time at Wimbledon, but who knows where she will pop up next. She then went on to hint that she could be in New York for the US Open. So definitely there is no retirement. And look, it is obvious that elusive 24th Grand Slam title is keeping Serena active. But the manner of this latest defeat, me not lie, it looked hard for Serena win another Grand Slam title. And there is this well-known condition in sport called stay too long syndrome. When sports stars get old and don't want to admit that they're getting old and retire, and make all kind of people start take liberty with them. I think Serena Williams is now suffering from stay too long syndrome. And just as it's difficult for her to walk away from the sport, it is equally difficult for us as fans to tell her it is time to leave. But Serena, it is time to leave.